trademark is actually some of the strongest intellectual property that you can have. You're able to keep it forever, as long as you continue using it. If you think of Coca-Cola, um, trademark will just keep on lasting as long as you're using the mark. You do need to maintain and renew your mark. So at the 5 year mark, and then at the 10 year mark, and then every 10 years from there, you need to go back and file maintenance documents and renewal documents in the trademark office that you're still using it. So I think the reason they picked that 5 year mark and 5 year time period initially is because sometimes businesses, as they start up, they might be reserving a name and they may end up going out of business. Unfortunately, that's somewhat common. Um, so for those individuals, they don't want to lock down those rights and prevent somebody else from using it. So that's the reason that they do that 5 year one. And then from there, they go at the 10 year mark, they start to go every 10 years. So as long as you continue using your trademark, you can keep it as long as you would like. So that's another benefit of it. You can keep anyone out of your space that's using a confusingly similar name. So, I have Pirate Fight Club registered. If somebody were to change that to Pirate Fight Meeting and they were offering similar intellectual property services to me, they would be deemed to be confusingly similar because the first two, the dominant elements are the same. And then that last word, which is actually somewhat descriptive, has been changed. And I would suspect that a federal court would find those two names to be confusingly similar. I would certainly send a cease and desist letter if I found out that somebody was doing something very similar called Pirate Fight Meeting, even though that doesn't roll off the tongue the way that Pirate Fight Club does. Um, so yeah, those are some of the main benefits to filing a trademark application and attempting to secure federal trademark registration.